Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can share a board over on Trello. So if you want to collaborate with other people on a Trello board, then here's how you can do that. So head over to Trello.com and go to the board that you want to share. Once you've done that, head over to the top right corner of your screen and then you will find this share button. Click on it, and what you can do is either share this board with someone that's already on Trello by using their username. What you can also just simply do is basically type in their email and then the invite link will be sent to their email. Now what you can also just do is create a link for this board by clicking right here and then clicking copy a link, and then you will also be able to send that to anyone, and if they open that, they will automatically be part of your Trello board. And yeah, that's basically all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.